another episode of Forward Momentum. This episode is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. On this episode, I'm looking for your feedback. I have figured out a cheap and cost-effective way to amplify your intake sound and to get it into the cabin of your car. If you're interested in that sort of thing, please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment below, and I will know that I can walk you through the steps required to install this very affordable mod, less than $20 US. So let's have a listen to what this mod actually sounds like on the inside of the car. Okay, we're just normal cruising here. Just some hissing sound from the radio, but then back down. Like this? Oh, I want intake. Nice and quiet. But if you're feeling frisky, man, Just crank this sucker up. It's almost as if this intake amplifier makes the car sound like it has individual throttle bodies. Right now it's perfectly quiet. I've got the volume turned down. I mean, it's not as clean sounding as individual throttle bodies, but it sounds pretty good for how much money it was. Well, there you have it, guys. If you like what you see and hear, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button on this video and I will produce a video on how to do this mod on your car. You won't ruin anything on your car. You can always take it off and it's cheap. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next episode. That's enough.